Hey, another video with Blizzard. I actually just did a visual sex on it, and it's a female. Well, Blizzard is a female. I named it before I knew its sex, but hey, currently the light is off in its tank since the tank's not in use, but it's not a bad tank. I mean, like a bad setup. I'm going to have to show y'all it in a different view, but I can't swap my camera's view because it's just my phone. But it's a pretty nice little setup for him. He seemed to like it. He just buried immediately into the ground. And he got a little bit further up in there to where you couldn't see him at the edge of the glass. And he had like hidden up there and you couldn't hardly see it. And you would how you could identify where he was at is you would see the ground just kind of push up with some of the fake plants too. Just in my house with him. Can't go outside right now because it's pretty cold. Don't want to freeze him. You know how most snow corn snakes' eyes are red? He is orange with a black outline. Well, she. Like a really cool orange with black outline eyes color. Like his pupils are orange. Well, her pupils are orange. And, whatchamacallit, with black outlines. If I could ever show y'all it, if she would bring her head back over here and get it and not put it in my hair, you could probably see her now. Just got her today. She's perfectly active and fine with being handled. Up there you go. You can see it now. If you didn't see that, rewind the video. At a certain angle, you can see her eyes. Right there. Orange. Black outline. Beautiful snake. My mom is scared of her. My mom's getting a call. Oh, nobody. It's just a random number. Watch this. No. She's hiding herself. She's scared of Blizzard. She likes snakes, but she don't like touching them or them touching her and stuff. A lot of people can relate, but me, snakes are my favorite animal. I love them. This is my only snake, but I'm eventually going to get a lot more, probably a lot more. And when we move and get a better house, I'm going to have my own, there's going to be like a room or two just full of tanks for with my snakes. Mine and my sister's. Like, my sister doesn't have one yet, but she loves snakes too. She's scared to hold Blizzard right now. She's afraid it'll bite her. Oh. And trust me, snakes are perfectly fine creatures for any of y'all out there that don't really like snakes. But I'm just not sure really what to talk about right now with my snake. I just love it. And wanted y'all to get to learn a bit more about Blizzard. Tongue flicks. It likes to get in my hair. Well, Blizzard does. Well, I'm probably gonna end the video right here with a bit of Blizzard. Up, Blizzard, they need to see your face real quick, up close. You don't want to cooperate. And Blizzard, I'd like them to end with seeing your face. Crap. Conflicts. Blee.